Hi everyone, Grandma Lou is back with another quick video. This one is coming from one of my recipe books that I've used before, called Give Them Something Better, and it's by Sarah Fran and Stephanie Howard. And today's recipe is starring the broccoli, fresh broccoli. So we have in the broccoli salad, I have a large bunch of broccoli chopped up, washed and ready in bite-sized pieces. I have a half cup of red onion that has been chopped, and the recipe called for half a cup of raisins, but I have a half a cup of raisins, so cranberries, dried cranberries. I also have a half a cup of sunflower seeds, and then a half a cup of imitation bacon bits. So the bacon pieces here by McCormick, these are actually vegan, and you can actually get them from the local Dollar Tree for $1.25. And then for our dressing, we could have made some aioli, but I have also from the Dollar Tree a garlic mayo that is vegan. So I bought that, and we'll mix that with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice as well as 2 tablespoons of sugar. And so it's going to be really quick. We're just going to mix everything in the bowl. And so again, we have our broccoli here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in our bacon bits. And again, these are bacon bits that are vegan, made out of soy. We have our sunflower seeds, our red onion, and our cran raisins. And we're just gonna stir it up. And then to make the dressing, we have our 1 cup of the mayo, the garlic mayo from the Dollar Tree. And we're just gonna pour in our 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, as well as 2 tablespoons of sugar. And just stir it up, and that's gonna be our dressing. And so this is a quick salad as we're doing preparation for our meal prep throughout the week. Grandma Lou is doing smoothies, soups, and salads. I have some last few pounds of weight that I want to get off this year. And so just giving it a good stir. And then we're going to pour it over our salad. And then we just stir everything together. And then I'm gonna let this sit in the refrigerator and chill, and come back for a taste test. And just like that, another healthy treat, amazing drink, or something to eat from Grandma Lou's. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye.